Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learners Book 7. Welcome to SADX. We are starting multiplying and dividing integer exercise 1.3 episode 3. Number 1. Write the first 5 multiples of 1a. First 5 multiples of. So first 5. Against this 5 we can write like 5 times 1 is a 5, 5 times 2 is a 10, 5 times 3 is a 15, 5 times 4 is a 20, and 5 times 5 is a 25. This is a first 5 multiples of 5. Okay, 1b, this one is 10. Against this 10 we can write similar. 10 times 1 is a 10, 10 times 2 is a 20, then 10 times 3 is a 30, 10 times 4 is a 40, 10 times 5 is a 50. So this is a first 5 multiples of 10. So A and B done. Next, number C of 1 7. This one we can write in here 1C. Number 7. So this one first 5 multiples are 7 times 1 equals to 7, 7 times 2 is a 14, 7 times 3 is a what? 21, 7 times 4 is a 28, and finally 7 times 5 is a 35. Okay, so C done, and last one is number D 12. 1D, this is what? 12. We will find first 5 multiples. So 12 times 1 equals to 12, 12 times 2 equals to 24, 12 times 3 equals to 36, 12 times 4 is a 48, and finally 12 times 5 is a 60. Okay, so these are all 5 multiples of each number. Okay, so number 1 done. Now number 2. 2a. Write the multiples of 3 that are less than 40. So less than 40, so this one is 2a. We have to find out the multiples of 3 that are less than 40. So 3 multiples are, so we can write first one is 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, because 3 times 1 is a 3, 3 times 2 is a 6, 3 times 3 is a 9, 3 times 4 is a 12, 3 times 5 is a 15, 3 times 6 is a 18, 7 is a 21, 8 is of what? 24, then 27, then 30, then 33, then 36, finally 39. All are less than 40. Okay, so number 2a done. Number B of 2. Write the multiples of 5 that are less than 40. So this one also similar. This is 2b. Here 5 multiples are. So here is 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, 30, 35, but we cannot write 40 because here mentioned less than 40. So less than 40, done. So number B also we complete very smoothly. Number C, find the common multiples of 3 and 5 that are less than 40. So we have to find out 3 is in here, but here is no 3. So which one is common? 3 is not available, 6 not available, 9 not available, 12 not available. So here is 15. Okay, so look, we can round this one, 15, and here is also 15. 18 not available, 21 not available, 24, 27, 30. This 30 is available. Here is 30, here is also 30, which is less than 40. So number 2C, find the common multiples of 3 and 5 that are less than 40. So 15 and 30 are common numbers. Common numbers which are less than 40. Okay, so number C also done. So 1 and 2 both done. Number 3A, find the common multiples of 4 and 3 that are less than 50. So first we have to find out that multiples of 4 which is less than 50. So we can write like this: 3A, 4 multiples are. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Okay, then 3 multiples are. So 3 multiples are 3, then 6, right? 6, 9, 12, 15, then 18, 21, 24, then 27, 30, 33, 36, and finally 39. So these are 4 multiples and 3 multiples. So find out the common multiples. So which one is common? Look, this 12 is common, right? 12. Then 24 also common. Here is 24 and here is also 24. Then what is the common? Oh, here is mentioned less than 50, so we need more. So here is 36, then 40 we can write in here. Okay, we can write in here. So here is 40, then 44, then 48. Next 52, but 52 is not recommendable because we need less than 50. And here is also similar, 39, then 42, then 45, 48, right? And next less than, this is also 50. So we already find out the common matter which is 12, 24, and then which 36 also common, right? 36, here is 36, and here is also 36, and next common is what? 48 also common, right? 48, and here is also 48. So common 4 and 3 common. Which is common? 12 is common, 24 is common, 36 is common, and 48 is common. Okay, so very simple. This is number 3A. What about 3B? Here is mentioned, complete this sentence. The common multiples of 4 and 3 are multiples of what? Multiples of, interesting ব্যাপার, 12. Look, here is 12. 12 times 1 is a 12. 12 times 2 is a 24. 12 times 3 is a 36. 12 times 4 is a 48. And this is the common thing. Look, 4 and 3, once we multiply, it will become 12. So complete this sentence. The common multiples of 4 and 3 are multiples of 12. Okay, this is our answer. So 3AB done. 3A and B done. Number 4. Here is mentioned, find the LCM of 8 and 12. So number 4. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. So we can write LCM 8 and 12 equals to. So several ways we can solve our problem. 8 and 12 we can divide by 2. So here is 4, here is 6, again divide by 2, here is 2, and here is 3. So LCM means least common multiple. So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 8, 8 times 3 is a 24. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, so here answer 24. Number 4 done. Number 5. Find the LCM of 10 and 15. So similar thing, this is 5, LCM 10 and 15. What? So look, 10 and 15 we cannot divide by 2 because here is 15 is a odd number, so we can divide by 5. So here is 2, here is 3. Now once we multiply, 5 times 2 is a 10, 10 times 3 is a 30. So 10 and 15 LCM is what? Is a 30. Okay. Number 6. Find the LCM of 7 and 8. So LCM 7 and 8. Look, 7 and 8 is a co-prime number, so here is no common thing. So LCM will be 56. It means 7 times 6 is a 56. Very simple. So 4, 5, 6 done. Number 7. Think like a mathematician. Look at the statement, if A and B are two whole numbers, then A times B is a common multiple of A and B. Number A. Show that the statement is true when A equals to 4 and B equals to 7. Yes, it's true. Look, 7A. Here is A equals to 4 and B equals to 7. It means 4 times 7 equals to 28. Is a multiple of 4 and 7. 7B. Show that the statement is true when A equals to 6 and B equals to 5. So 6 times 5 equals to 30 is a multiple 6 and 5, right? So A and B done. 7C, here mentioned, is the statement always true? Give evidence to justify your answer. It always true, right? It always true. A times B is a multiple of A times B times and B times A. It's always true, okay? So how about number D? Look at the statement. If A and B are two whole number, then A times B is the lowest common multiple of A and B. So 7D, this statement is not true. This statement always not true, okay? Suppose A equals to what? 4 and B equals to 7, then A times B equals to 4 times 7 equals to what? It should be 28, right? Is 28. And this is the LCM. LCM 4 and 7 also 28, but A equals to 6 and B equals to 4. So A times B equals to 6 times 4 equals to 24, and LCM 6 and 4 equals to what? 6 and 4, 4 we can divide by 2, so here is 2 and here is 2. So 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 2 is a 12. So 6 and 4 LCM is 12, but once we multiply, that was 24 and LCM 12, okay? So this statement always not true, that A times B equals to LCM of AB, okay? So number D done. Number 8, find the LCM of 3, 4, 6. So 8 LCM 3, 4, 6. So 3, 4, 6 in rough we can write. First we can divide by 2. So 3, 2, 3, right? 4 divided 2 is a 2, 6 divided 2 is a 3. Then we can divide by 3. So 1, 2, 1. So 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 2 is a 12. So our answer is 12, right? Number 9, find the LCM of 18, 9 and 4. So LCM 18, 9 and 4. So first 18, 9, 4 we can divide by 2. So here is 9, 9 is 9, 4 divided 2 is a 2. So again we can divide by 9. So here is 1, 1 and here is 2. So 9 times 2 is 18, 18 times 2 is 36. So 18, 9, 4, LCM is 36. Number 10. 21 is the LCM of two numbers. What are the numbers? So what do you think? Which number? There are two possible numbers. Look, here is mentioned 21 is the LCM of two numbers. So look, we can find out like this. There are two possible answer. Like here is 12. Sorry, this is 21, right? 21. We can write 1 times 21. Another one is 3 times 7. So 3, 7 is a co-prime number, which LCM is LCM 3, 7 equals to 21. Also LCM 1, 21 also 21. Okay, so possible two numbers. One is 3, 7. Another one is 1, 12. 1, 21. So 30 is the LCM of two numbers. What are the numbers? This one also similar thing. There are lots of possibility. Look, this is 11. 30. 30, 1 times 30, then 2 times 15, then 3 times what? 10, and finally 5 times 6 is a LCM of 30. So look, LCM we can write in here. LCM 130 equals to 30. LCM 215 what? Also 30, because all are co-prime number. 1 and 30 has no common factor. 2 and 15 is a no common factor. So LCM 3 and 10 also LCM for 30, and finally LCM 5 and 6. So once these are common prime number, that means we just multiply, it will be our LCM. So 5 and 6 has no common factor. This is a co-prime number. So 5 and 6 LCM is 30. 3 times 10 also LCM 30. 3 and 10 also LCM 30. So here is not 10 multiplication, it should be comma. Okay, so 4 possible, 4 possible, and here 2 possible we already mentioned. Okay, so this is a last math of multiplying and dividing integer, exercise 1.3. okay, exercise 1.3. the section is number, and we are trying to solve Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learners Book 7. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section and also share with your friend. This video I just complete whole math 1 to 11 of exercise 1.3. Take care, bye bye.